All right, so let's go ahead and get set up with MidJourney. Remember, this is only available currently to paid subscribers. So unfortunately, if you don't have a credit card, unless they decide to re-enable free trials, you are out of luck, which sucks. Let's just be clear about that, especially just when you want to try things out. But I do believe it is worth the money, at least to try on the lowest tier, $10 for 1 month. Cancel it if you want to, if you're not impressed or you don't have a use for it, or try using Stable Diffusion. So to sign up, remember this is done through Discord. So if you go to the MidJourney website, you can click join the beta and it will take you to a Discord link to join the community. Now I've already joined the community. I have a Discord account set up. If you don't have a Discord, it will ask you to sign up. Discord itself is free. Joining the MidJourney server is free as well. This is what it looks like. This is the MidJourney server. It has like 17 or 18 million people who have joined. There's between 1 and 2 million people active at any given point in time. It's a very, very active server. And I'll just give you a quick overview of some of the stuff you'll see in here. There's an announcements channel. This is all just announcements coming from MidJourney, surveys and notes about office hours. There's a status channel that talks about any outages with the MidJourney bot. There are channels for technical support. There's channels for showcasing things people have generated. And then there are the newbie channels. So you will certainly see, or almost certainly see, different numbers here. Newbies 21, 22, it might be 99, but it doesn't really matter. If you pick any of these newbies channels, this is a place for newcomers to play around with MidJourney. And what you'll see is a bunch of images scrolling by. Let's go down to the bottom as people play around and generate new images. So it's kind of hectic and chaotic, and we'll see a way around this where we can just directly message the MidJourney bot. But the problem we have right now is that we're not actually set up, we're not subscribing, and so if I try and generate an image, it will complain to me and tell me you need to sign up. The easiest way to sign up is to run the /subscribe command. So /subscribe inside the MidJourney Discord on any channel. If you run this, it will generate you a link to open your particular subscription page. So this is private, as it says, only you can see this. So it doesn't really matter if I'm doing this in a public channel. And I've already subscribed, but once you click this link, it takes you to the manage subscription page where you can set up your subscription. Currently, there are 3 tiers. There's the basic tier, the standard, and the pro. I've just been using the basic plan and it works fine, but there are obviously distinctions, mostly in terms of how many fast generations you get or how many hours of fast generations you get. That's something we'll talk about in a separate video, the distinction between fast and relaxed. Also, on the free tier, you're limited to around 200 image generations. So I haven't hit that limit and I've been using it for a couple of months now and haven't had any trouble, but it's kind of a substantial increase from $10 to $30 a month. It's also substantially cheaper to pay yearly, right? It's $8 a month instead of $10 a month if you pay for the entire year. But that's kind of a big commitment if you're not sure. So we'll talk about the distinctions really around fast and relaxed generations. Otherwise, things are pretty similar. If you pay for the pro plan, there's 12 concurrent fast jobs compared to 3 concurrent fast jobs, but that's mostly it as far as the distinctions between the tiers. So I would just start with the $10 basic plan. So you'll set up your information, right? Credit card, billing stuff, all of that, and you should be good to go. At which point you can head back to Discord and we can get started generating our very first images.